Hello everyone. Are you wondering what breadcrumbing means? Let's explore. Breadcrumbing is a dating term that refers to the act of leading someone on with small, inconsistent displays of interest, such as occasional messages, likes, or comments, without any intention of pursuing a serious relationship. This behavior keeps the other person hopeful or engaged, often stringing them along without offering genuine commitment. Breadcrumbing is considered manipulative, as it plays on someone's emotions by giving just enough attention to keep them interested, but never enough to move the relationship forward. It's a common tactic in the age of social media and online dating, where casual, non-committal interactions are easier to maintain. In essence, breadcrumbing is about giving someone just enough attention to keep them hanging on, without any real intention of building a meaningful connection. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.